Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious chicken breast. First, select boneless, skinless chicken breasts, ideally about 1 inch thick for even cooking. It's crucial to pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is key for a beautiful sear. Then, season them generously on both sides with a blend of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and a touch of paprika for flavor. This preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious meal. Now, let's get that perfect golden crust. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place your seasoned chicken breasts into the hot pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook in batches if necessary. Sear each side for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing a rich, golden brown crust to form. This caramelization adds incredible depth of flavor and texture. After searing, it's time to finish cooking and lock in those juices. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add about 1/4 cup of chicken broth or water to the pan. Cover the skillet and cook for an additional 5 to 8 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the chicken from the pan and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital for tender, juicy results. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked chicken breast. For the most tender bites, always slice the chicken against the grain. This technique shortens the muscle fibers, making each piece incredibly tender. Serve your delicious chicken with your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a fresh, crisp salad. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro adds a lovely finish. Enjoy your flavorful, juicy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.